Hey yo, it's Chris O. I'm just about to start grouting this bathroom I've just done. Today's Friday, so I'm heading for a early knockoff, but not really. I've got to price a job at 3 down in Rabina, which is I don't know, hour away, hour and a half away. But yes, I'll get this out of the road. Shouldn't take long to grout up. I pulled all the wedges and that sort of thing yesterday before I went home. So yeah, it's cool. The owners are absolute tickled pink, of course. Let's get into it. I should have bought a new squeegee, but I didn't. No biggie. The finishing touches. Good grouting is the key. Push it in. Get it in there. Right, I'll come back to you when I'm wiping off, people. Thanks for watching my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm out to grow and teach as many people as I can. Ask me any questions you want. Just drop us a line, send us a comment. I love getting comments. I love to answer people, their questions. It's cool. Right, we'll see you soon. I'll come back when I'm wiping off. Yo.